In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to take you inside the 2-1-day email profit blueprint. Every module, every day, every bonus, every detail. No fluff, no hype, just the complete honest breakdown so you can decide if this is the system you've been looking for. Let me ask you something honest. How long have you been trying to make this work? Months? Maybe longer? You've watched the videos. You've read the guides. Maybe you've even bought a course or two, and yet the results still aren't there. Your list is empty, or barely exists. Your online income is still at zero, or nowhere near where you need it to be. Here's what nobody tells you. It's not your fault. Most of what's being taught out there, the complicated ad funnels, the cold outreach scripts, the social media posting schedules, is designed for people who already have an audience, already have a budget, already have a team. What about the solo marketer, the beginner? The person who just wants one clear, proven path without cold calling, without spending thousands on ads, without needing to go viral? That person has been left behind. Until now. Lie number 1. Social media reach is collapsing. Organic reach on Facebook is under 5%. TikTok can ban your account overnight. You don't own any of it. Lie number 2. You don't need a big ad budget. This blueprint covers proven low-cost list-building methods that work even at zero spend. Lie number 3, and this one really frustrates me, that email marketing is dead. Here's the truth. Email marketing delivers an average return of $42 for every $1 spent. It is the most owned, most reliable, most algorithm-proof channel in digital marketing. And the 2-1-day email profit blueprint is built entirely around it. So what is the right path for a complete beginner who wants to build a real, sustainable email income without the complexity, without cold calls, without needing to already have an audience? That's exactly the question I went looking to answer. And what I found is what I'm about to show you. The 2-1-day email profit blueprint is a step-by-step, day-by-day training system designed to take complete beginners, people with no email list, no marketing experience, no technical skills, and walk them through the exact process of building a profitable email marketing business in 21 structured days. This is not a vague theory course. This is a blueprint, which means it gives you specific, actionable steps for each of the 21 days. No guessing. No figuring it out yourself. Just, here's what you do today. Here's why. Here's how. Created by Duncan Whitmore, veteran email marketer and PLR product creator. This is for you if you're a complete beginner with no email list and no idea where to start. If you're a solo marketer who wants a system you can run alone. If you've tried other methods and they haven't worked. If you want an owned traffic channel that doesn't depend on algorithms. And if you're willing to commit to 21 days of consistent daily action. This is not for you if you're looking for a magic button. If you already have an advanced system in place. Or if you're not willing to follow a structured plan. If you're in that first group, keep watching, because what I'm about to show you is exactly what you've been looking for. Before I take you inside, let me quickly cover who created this and why that matters. Duncan Whitmore is a veteran email marketer and PLR product creator. This matters because the method you're about to see isn't theoretical. It comes from someone who has actually built email income the way they're teaching. Okay, let's go inside. Here's the architecture of the entire blueprint. The 21 days are organized into 3 distinct phases, and this structure is one of the smartest things about the system. Week 1 is your foundation. Week 2 is your traffic and list building engine. Week 3 is where you turn that list into your first income opportunity. Let me walk you through each phase in detail. Week 1 days 1 through 7 is about building your foundation correctly from the start. Day 1. Explain how email has its own income stream. Day 2. Explain how email makes you money. Day 3. Explain your simple toolkit. Day 4 is your front-end offer. Day 5 is how to set up your autoresponder. Day 6 is how to create your opt-in page. Day 7 is writing your first email. By the end of week 1, you have your infrastructure in place. The foundation is done. You're ready to build. Week 2 days, 8 through 14, is where your list starts to grow. Day 8 is your first 3-day email sequence. Day 9 is how adding affiliate links. Day 10 explains to choose offers that convert. Day 11 is how inserting and testing links. Day 12 is your plug-and-play checklist. Day 13 is how running a test opt-in. Day 14 is your troubleshooting tips. This is the section that separates this blueprint from most email marketing courses. Most courses teach you how to email people, but they don't teach you how to get people. Week 2 solves that. By the end of day 14, your list is actively growing with real subscribers who want what you're offering. Week 3 days 15 through 21 is where it all comes together. Day 15 is time to go live. Day 16 is getting your first subscribers. Day 17 is choosing traffic that converts. Solo ads. Day 18 is your list builder secrets. Day 19 is how nurturing your list. Day 20 is the art of the soft sell. Day 21 is your high-ticket list building. The goal by day 21 is not $1 million business. The goal is a working system, a list that's growing, emails going out, and your first income opportunity in motion. That's the real promise of the 2-1-day email profit blueprint. Not overnight riches, but a real working foundation you built yourself, step by step, in 21 days. Now let's talk about what else you get when you grab the 2-1-day email profit blueprint today, because the bonuses are a significant part of the value here. Bonus number 1. Email Rewrite Pro Transform any affiliate swipe into your own high-converting message, valued at $597. Bonus number 2. Subject Line Genie. Create 10 irresistible subject lines from any email swipe valued at $597. Bonus number 3. Warrior Funnel Live Step-by-Step Guide Generator for getting your product live on Warrior Plus, valued at $597. Bonus number 4. PLR Recreator Wizard Transform any PLR material into brand new, unique content in seconds, valued at $597. Limited time. Fast Action Bonus. Free. Buyer Traffic Guide. Get floods of buyer traffic without spending an extra dime, valued at $997. When you add it all up, the core blueprint, the bonuses, everything you're getting, the total value of this package is $14,658, and you're getting all of it for a fraction of that. Let's talk about the investment. To put this in context, a professional email marketing consultant charges $200 to $500 per hour. A done-for-you email setup can run $2,000 to $5,000. Most comparable courses are priced at $497 to $997. The 2-1-day email profit blueprint is available right now at $9.95. Launch price was $47. For a complete day-by-day system covering foundation, traffic, and monetization that is an extraordinary value, especially at launch pricing. There are also 2 optional upgrade paths available. 021 High Ticket List Building Formula, $27. 022 3 Month Private Support, $197. These are completely optional. The core blueprint stands alone, but worth knowing about if you want to accelerate. Objection 1. I have no email list. Answer. Day 1 of the blueprint assumes 0 subscribers. The entire system is built for list building from scratch. Having no list is not a barrier, it's the starting line. Objection 2. I'm not tech savvy. Answer. Every step is in plain language. No coding. No complex software. If you can follow written instructions, you can do this. Objection 3. I don't have time. Answer. Each day's action step is designed for a focused session. Even an hour a day moves you forward. You don't need to quit your job. Objection 4. I've bought courses before, and they didn't work. Answer. Here's the critical difference. A course gives you information. A blueprint gives you action steps. The 2-1-day email profit blueprint is not a lecture series. It's a daily action plan. That difference is everything. Objection 5. What if it doesn't work for me? Answer. Which brings me to the guarantee. The 2-1-day email profit blueprint comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Follow the system, do the work, and if you're not satisfied, full refund, no questions asked, within 30 days. You're either getting a working email business foundation or you're getting your money back. There is no losing scenario here. All right. You've seen everything. The full blueprint, the 3-week structure, the bonuses, the pricing, the guarantee. Here is my honest, final verdict. The 2-1-day email profit blueprint is, in my assessment, one of the most practical, beginner-friendly email marketing systems available at this price point. First, the structure. A day-by-day action plan removes the paralysis that kills most beginners. You don't have to figure out what to do next. It's already mapped out. Second, the focus. This system is built entirely around email, the one marketing channel you own, that no algorithm can take from you, that has the highest ROI in digital marketing. Third, the entry point. At $9.95, the barrier is low, especially with the money-back guarantee. Is it perfect? No product is. You will need to invest consistent daily time. Results will vary based on your niche and effort. This is a foundation builder, not an overnight income machine. But for a beginner who wants a clear, proven, structured path to building an email income without cold calling, without complicated tech, without needing to already have an audience? Yes, absolutely yes. Here's what I want you to do right now. The link to get the 2-1 Day Email Profit Blueprint is in the description below this video. Click it, review the official sales page, and make your decision. This is a launch offer, and the price increases after the launch window closes. Launch closes Sunday, May 10th, 2026 at 11:59 p.m. EST. Every day you don't have a system is another day you're figuring it out alone. Another day without a list. Another day without a clear path forward. You've spent 45 minutes watching this review. You've done your research. You've seen what's inside. You know whether this is right for you. If it is, the link is below. Click it. Start your 21 days. Build your email foundation. I'll see you on the other side. And if this review was helpful, hit subscribe. I review tools, systems, and blueprints for solo email marketers and affiliate beginners every week. Everything I cover is designed to help you build income without cold calling, without complicated tech, without needing a team. Thanks for watching. Go build something real.